Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a heat map, and we're going to create a heat map in Python. Now, I personally use heat maps a lot because I enter Kaggle competitions, and Kaggle competitions have machine learning competitions. And so whenever I am doing a machine learning competition, I create a heat map of the data frame. So that's one thing that I personally create heat maps for, is data frames. But what we'll do in this particular video is we're just going to create a heat map from random variables. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the libraries that we're going to use to create the heat map, being import seaborn as SNS, and that's your visualization library for statistics. Import numpy as NP, that's your numerical library, and import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and that's a second visualization library. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create our data. So data equals np.random rand 10, 12, and so what that does is that just creates random values for you using numpy. And then now we're going to create the heat map. sns.heatmap brackets data.cmap equals blues, annotation equals false. And then we're going to add a title to it. The title is heat map with blue colors in ascending order. And then we're going to show it. And this is your heat map. So you can see it's got 12 rows by 12 columns now, and it's in blues. But if it's a light colored blue, it means it doesn't have a high correlation. And if it's a dark colored blue, it means that it does have a high correlation. So heat maps are something that I use. So what you can do is you can tell that they have, whether they have a high correlation or not, just by looking at the heat map. And it's always nice whenever you are doing your statistical work or your machine learning work to visualize the data because non-technical people will like to see the visualized data. So that's it for your heat map. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video, and the next video we will be discussing another visualization.